Hello, my dear students. Welcome again to the e-classes of General Knowledge of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. And this e-class is for class 4th. And I am your Sarika Sharma ma'am, your General Knowledge teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the lesson number 28, Cartoon World, and lesson number 29, Rapid Fire Quiz. So let's begin with your favorite topic, lesson number 28, Cartoon World. Children, I know that all of you like cartoons. If I talk about your favorite cartoons, you will say, Ma'am, Shin Chan, A Naughty Boy, Chhota Bheem, Motu Patlu, and Spider-Man, and so on. These all are your favorite cartoons, and in that you all have your favorite cartoon characters. So in this chapter you have been given below the pictures of some famous cartoon characters. You have to identify them and you can take the help of help box. So a film using animation techniques to photograph a sequence of drawings rather than real people or objects. These all are cartoon characters like Popeye, Spider-Man, Snoopy. Now come to your chapter, children. Let's have a look. Given below are pictures of some famous cartoon characters. Identify them. Take help from help box. Spider-Man. Children, first cartoon character is Spider-Man. I think you might have seen the movie also, children. Spider-Man, Spiderman, Spider-Man. His real name is Peter Parker. His real name is Peter Parker. Spider-Man is a superhero, right? Now, Hobbes, Hobbes, the companion of Calvin the Tiger. Hobbes. The second cartoon character is Hobbes. Hobbes, Hobbes, the companion of Calvin the Tiger. Next, children. She is the wife of Phantom. Children, Phantom is a fictional costumed crime fighter. And Dinah is the wife of Phantom. So this character name is Dinah. D-I-A-N-A. Dinah. She is the wife of Phantom. Dinah. D-I-A-N-A. Dinah. Let's come to the next cartoon character, children. Fourth one. The butler of Richie Rich. Butler matlab we can say as a servant, jo cook hai, like cook we can say. So he was the butler of rich boy Richie Rich. He likes spinach. Palak usko बहुत पसंद था, children. So the character name is Herbert Cadbury. Herbert The butler of Richie Rich, Herbert Cadbury. Popeye. Yes, as I have shown you the picture also, he has a tattoo of an anchor on his arm, as you can see also, and he was a sailor in an American cartoon character. So Popeye, P-O-P-E-Y-E, P-O-P-E-Y-E, Popeye. Next, children. I'm sorry. 6. A lazy fat cat that loves to eat lasagna. The spelling is L-A-S-A-G-N-A, but we just pronounce it lasagna. And what is lasagna, children? Lasagna is a kind of pasta, or we can say pasta in the form of broad, often ruffled ribbon. So in in this, the character name is Garfield, Garfield, a lazy fat cat that loves to eat lasagna. Next, Snoopy. Wow, Snoopy, Snoopy. It's a comic character of Peanuts. We can say it's a comic strip character of spotted white beagle with a rich fantasy. And what is a beagle, children? Beagle is a small hound of breed with a short coat. Hound matlab dog type में. So hound we can say like dog. Snoopy, Snoopy, the pet dog of the helpless Peanuts character Charlie Brown. Snoopy, Snoopy. Next question, number 8. He is a studious boy with thick glasses from Archie's Comics. Dilton, Dilto, and as you can see in the picture also, children, he's looking like a studious boy with a thick glasses. Kitne mote mote glass hai na? And it's a comic character. So what we have studied? We have studied about Spider-Man, Hobbs. Spider-Man, his real name is Peter Parker. Number 2, Hobbs, the companion of Calvin, the tiger. Dinah, number 3, she is the wife of Phantom. Number 4, Herbert Cadbury, the butler of Richie Rich. Children, you can open page number 30 along with me. You can write with me also. Then is Popeye. He has a tattoo of an anchor on his arm. Then he was always having the cigar in his mouth. Then Garfield, Garfield, a lazy fat cat that loves to eat lasagna. Snoopy, it's a comic character of Peanuts. And the last one is Dilton. He is a studious boy with thick glasses from Archie's Comics. So it was, I think, it was one of your favorite chapter in GK, Cartoon Words. So I hope you understood Cartoon World. Now come to the next topic, that is rapid fire quiz. Children, rapid fire quiz, this lesson is based on the previous chapter from lesson number 1 to 28, which we have already studied. So just what is rapid fire quiz? If I ask you a question and I'll give you 3 options, I'll ask you a question, I'll give you 3 or 4 options. Correctly you will have to answer if you have studied. So you can answer it easily. Let's begin, children. Pick the right answer. Number 1. All the questions are based on the previous chapters like monuments, music words, cartoon world, cricket stadiums, adventures sports, festival dishes, presidents of India, leaves, amazing trees, beneficial plants, where plants grow. Children, all sea creatures, breeds of dog, all we have studied. These rapid fire quizzes based on these chapters. Let's begin. Tick right the correct answer. Let's begin, my dear students. An essential thing that should be in the first aid box. Of course, the options are pug, tiger or cotton. Easily you can answer the cotton because pug and tiger are not the first aid box things. So, C-O-T-T-O and cotton. Children, please tick cotton. Next, it's a member of the cat family. It's a member of the cat family. Lynx, L-Y-N-X, crane or albatross. Of course, it is lynx, L-Y-N-X. When we were studying about cat family, we learned this. We have learned this, that lynx is a member of cat family. Next, my dear students, number 3, it is the most poisonous bird. It is the most poisonous bird. Tiger is a bird? No. The options are tiger, pithoi or whale. Of course, The answer is Pithoi, because whale is a fish and tiger is an animal. So Pithoi, P-I-T-O-H-U-I-E. So tick the Pithoi. Next, question number 4. The tallest mammal that can grow over 6 meters. The tallest mammal that can grow over 6 meters. The options are giraffe, crane or a snake. The correct answer is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Just tick the A. Question number 5. It's the world's largest fish. Mongoose. The options are given: mongoose, whale shark or eel. The correct answer is whale shark. We are playing the rapid fire quiz, children. Whale shark. B answer is correct. Which plant? Question number 6. Which plant help us to make clothes? Wood is tree. Wheat is a grain. Cotton, of course. So correct answer is cotton. So tick the cotton. We make the clothes from the cotton, and generally we are wearing these cotton clothes in the summers. Question number 7. A place where fruit trees are grown. Grove, no. Orchard, yes. Garden, no. So the correct answer is orchard. O-R-C-H-A-R-D. Next, 8 number. This leaf is used for flavoring pizzas. That question also came in your UT. And 2 questions are there which came in your UT first. This leaf is used for flavoring pizzas. Oregano, tulsi and neem. The options are oregano, tulsi and neem. So the correct answer is oregano. So you can tick the oregano. Next, question number 9. Tallest living tree in California, USA. Ombu tree. Then B is Methuselah, and the another tree is Mendocino redwood tree. So the correct answer is Mendocino redwood tree. So please tick option C. As you are playing Crorepati, you have seen in Amitabh Bachchan is asking 3 or 4 questions. So same way I am asking like that. We are explaining like that. So you think you are playing Kaun Banega rapid fire quiz winner. Question number 10. The famous boot house is located in this garden: Hanging Garden, Shalimar Garden or Mughal Garden. The 3 options. So answer is Hanging Garden. Hanging Hanging Garden. Question number 11. Which is the national sport of Brazil? Option A, badminton. Option B, football. Option C, cricket. So the correct answer is football. B. This film tells the story of the Von Trapp family. Sound of Music, Mrs. Doubtfire or Jurassic Park. So the 3 options have been given to you, and the correct answer is Sound of Music. Let's repeat all the rapid fire quiz question with answer. I will give you the correct answer only now. An essential thing that should be in first aid box. Answer is cotton. C. It's a member of cat family. Answer is option A, lynx. Question number 3. It is the most poisonous bird. Answer is B, Pithoi. Question number 4. The tallest mammal that can grow over 6 meters. Option A, giraffe is correct. Question number 5. It's the world's largest fish. Whale shark, children. Question number 6. Which plant help us to make clothes? Option C, cotton is correct. Question number 7. A place where fruit trees are grown. Orchard we can say, or option B is correct. Question number 8. This leaf is used for flavoring pizzas. Option A, oregano is correct. Then question number 9. Tallest living tree in California, USA. Option C, Mendocino redwood tree is correct. Question number 10. The famous boot house is located in this garden. Option A, Hanging Garden is correct. Which is the national sport of Brazil? Option B, football is correct. Question number 12. This film tells the story of the Von Trapp family. Option A, Sound of Music is correct. So I think we have played this rapid fire quiz round. You all will write the question and the correct answer in front of the question. What is the assignment? Now it's time for assignment, children. Write any 3 cartoon characters named Dinah, Hobbes, Garfield, Popeye. You can also write Shin Chan, Motu Patlu, whatever you like. Children, it's on your choice. I'm giving you choice. And the next lesson, lesson number 31, you will write in copy. You will write the question and you will write the correct answer, children. Now, so I hope you understood lesson number 28 and rapid fire quiz. Let's conclude, children. Hope you understood. Thank you very much.